Big Joe's. This is Joe Big Joe's Outdoors. Doing a little quick rabbit check because I come in here yesterday and this water wasn't working, and of course, look what I did. I snapped it in there, and it didn't stay snapped. And he's thirsty as all hell. So I'm gonna work on that here in a second. Come on, guy. There you go. And then I come in here to work on this too because part of the nothing goes right. And then I see this fella. He's gonna run off. He's harmless little fucking little rat snake. Pretty though. Normally take his ass out. Right now I don't care. There's rats in here. I seen some this morning when I first came out here. He can have them. Oh, don't get that way. Don't get that way. Licky, licky, licky. Pop. Licky, licky, licky. Alright, we'll let him go. Not do his thing. Look at that. This cage is long too. He's over 6 feet long. Nice looking snake. Healthy snake. Hate killing snakes. I mean, they're beneficial in so many ways. I really need to fix this. He's going on his own way. There's a tree that fell next to that thing. Where you going, guy? Yeah. Yeah. Go bother the neighbor. She is screaming her ass off. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next video.